you're considering Bluehost for your website, this Bluehost review is designed to give you a clear, real-world look at what you actually get without overcomplicating things or skipping the important details. So in this video, I'm giving you an honest Bluehost review, no hype, no fluff. I'll show you real website speed test results from a fully functioning WordPress site, Bluehost plans, pricing and long-term cost, their AI website builder is powered by WordPress, customer support, security, uptime, and performance, and who Bluehost is actually good for. And if you want the best Bluehost deal available, I've added a link in the description below where you get up to 78% off plus a free domain name. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you, and you'll still get the lowest Bluehost pricing available. Let's get into it. Bluehost is one of the longest running web hosting companies in the industry. They're officially recommended by WordPress and are known for being beginner friendly, especially if this is your first website. Everything is designed to be simple, from signing up to installing WordPress to launching your site. One of the Bluehost's biggest updates is their AI website builder, which runs on top of WordPress. This is important because you're not locked into a built-in system. Here's how it works. You answer a few questions about your site. The AI generates layouts, pages, and content. You can fully customize everything afterward using WordPress. This is great if you want a fast setup, you don't want to start from a blank page, you still want full WordPress flexibility later. One of the reasons Bluehost is so beginner friendly is its dashboard and overall ease of use. When you log in, you're met with a clean, uncluttered layout that makes it simple to manage your site, emails, domains, and performance stats, all from one place. Setting up WordPress is extremely straightforward with Bluehost. You can install WordPress in just a couple of clicks right from the dashboard, and their AI website builder is integrated directly into the same interface, so you don't have to jump between tools. Whether you're a complete beginner launching your first site or an experienced user wanting to get something live quickly, Bluehost dashboard makes it painless too. Install themes and plugins, manage domains and SSL certificates, access site analytics, launch the Bluehost AI website builder. This simplicity is one of the big reasons Bluehost is so popular among people who want a smooth setup experience without technical stress. Now let's talk performance, because this matters. I ran a speed test on a fully functioning WordPress website, not a blank install. What stood out? Solid load times, stable performance, no major spikes or slowdowns. Bluehost includes NVMe storage, faster than standard SSDs, free CDN, global data centers, 99.99% uptime guarantee. For small to medium websites, Bluehost performance is more than enough. Bluehost keeps things simple with 3 main plans: personal plan, 1 website, 1 GB NVMe storage, ideal for 10,000 visits per month, best for 1 basic website, personal blogs, simple business sites. Starter plan up to 10 websites, 10 GB NVMe storage, ideal for 40,000 visits per month. Best for multiple websites, bloggers, small businesses scaling up. Business plan up to 50 websites, 50 GB NVMe storage, ideal for 200,000 visits per month. Includes extra features like phone support, free domain privacy for the first year, malware detection and removal. This is a plan I'd recommend if your site makes money or you want peace of mind. This is where people get confused, so pay attention. Bluehost offers these terms monthly, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. The 3-year and 4-year terms save you the most money. That's when you get the lowest monthly pricing. Important details: a free domain name is included on annual or longer terms. No free domain name on monthly plans. Monthly plans are more flexible, but most cost more long term. If you're serious about your site, longer terms equals better value. All Bluehost plans include free SSL certificates, built-in security tools, free CDN, automated updates, malware protection, advanced features on business plan. For most users, this is plenty of security without needing extra plugins right away. Bluehost offers 24/7 live chat support, phone support included on higher plans, a large help center with tutorials and guides. Support quality is solid, especially for beginners. You won't feel lost if you're new to hosting or WordPress. Every Bluehost plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you try it and decide it's not for you, you can get a refund, no risk. Bluehost is a great choice if you're building your first website, you want WordPress plus AI setup, you want simple hosting without complexity, you care about long-term pricing savings, so is Bluehost worth it? For beginners, bloggers, e-commerce sites, and small businesses, yes. It's easy to use, affordable on long-term plans, and does a lot of things right, especially with their AI WordPress website builder. If you want the best Bluehost deal, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.